In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending services with Google Trends. If you've ever wondered what people are actively searching for right now so you can spot opportunities, this quick walkthrough will help you turn real-time interest into useful insights. Start by opening your browser and going to trends.google.com. This is Google's free dashboard that visualizes what the world is curious about. It tracks search interest as it rises and falls, which makes it perfect for identifying service ideas gaining momentum. Think of it as a live pulse of demand straight from search behavior. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Trending Now at the top. Click it to open a feed of searches that are spiking at this very moment. You'll see a rolling list that updates frequently, showing what's capturing attention today. This view is powerful because it focuses on immediate surges, not slow burn trends. As you scan the list, keep an eye out for service-oriented terms such as roof repair, event photographer, or mobile car detailing. These kinds of phrases point to real problems people want solved, often with local intent. Now, to cut through the noise and zero in on what matters for services, use the category filters. Filtering by categories helps you avoid broad celebrity news or entertainment spikes and instead surfaces the types of searches that can translate into client work. Choose categories that align with the kinds of services you care about. For example, business or industrial can highlight B2B needs, beauty and fitness can reveal personal care demand, home and garden can uncover seasonal repair or improvement spikes, and travel might hint at tour, guide, or transportation services. As you adjust categories, notice how the feed reshapes around that theme, making it easier to spot actionable opportunities. As you evaluate results, look for patterns. A sharp spike may be tied to a one-off news event, while repeated or seasonal surges like those around tax time or wedding season can signal durable demand. When a topic looks promising, note the exact phrasing people are using. The language in Trending Now reflects how potential clients actually search, which can guide your messaging later. That's all you need to get started. Go to trends.google.com, open Trending Now, and filter by categories to hone in on service-focused demand. With just these steps, you'll quickly identify where attention is moving and which services are likely to benefit. Keep exploring regularly, and you'll stay ahead of the curve.